How to recover lost data on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will see how we can recover lost data on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First option is to look for your Google backup. If you have enabled backups, you can restore lost data like contacts, photos, and application through your backup. So to check your backup, you have to go to settings. Scroll down, head towards Google, then make sure that you have selected your preferred account at the top. If not, switch your account. Tap on All Services, scroll down, and you will have a Backup and Restore section. Tap on Backup and make sure that you have turned on the backup. And if your data are all backed up, now what you can do is you have to factory reset your phone if it is only needed, because once you factory reset your device, all of your important data will be gone. So if it's urgent, then only you have to do your factory reset. If not, it's better not to do that. So if you do the factory reset, now you can sign in with your Google account, and during the setup, you could choose to restore from the backup, and all of your contacts, call history, SMS, applications, device settings, and your photos via Google Photos will also be backed up. So that was the first option. Second option is to use your Google Photos for the deleted images or video. Then you have to open up Photos in your device, that is your Google Photos. So once you're here, head towards your trash. For that, go to the collections, and here you have trash option. Tap on trash, and here select the items that you want to restore, and then tap on restore. But here in trash, your items will only stay for 30 to 60 days after its permanent deletion. So if you can find it here, you could simply restore it from your Google Photos. So in this way, you could recover your lost data on Android device. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.